Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5. We are going to start unit 1. Its title is Fruits and Vegetables. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, under the title of formal and lexical skill, we are going to learn about common and proper nouns. Before this, in English for grade 4, I have already taught you about nouns, common, proper nouns. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again and we will learn further to classify nouns as common and proper nouns, that is names of people, pets, places, mountains, lakes, rivers, etc. So let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah An-Nisa, verse 42, and mention when the angels said, O Maryam, indeed Allah has chosen you and purified you and chosen you above the women of the words. Allahu Akbar. Yes, my dear children, this beautiful verse is about Hazrat Maryam alayhi salam. And who is Hazrat Maryam? She is mother of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. And Allah is telling her through angels that Allah has chosen you. You are the chosen one and your status is above the women of the words. Now, my dear children, I want you to look at this. This says women. It means all the women. And Maryam. When I use women, it means any woman and all the women. But when we say Maryam, it is a specific name. So specific names are proper noun and general are common noun. Do you remember we have learnt about it? Okay, so tell me, what are the nouns and what do you know about common and proper noun? So pause the video, answer these two questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear children, I hope you have answered correctly that everything around us that we can see, hold, touch or feel has a name and that is called a noun. And this noun may refer to person, place or thing, right? This is the definition of noun. Now, when I use a noun, man, what does it mean? Any man or every man. But when I use a noun like Qaid-e-Azam, it's a particular noun. It is a proper noun because when I say Qaid-e-Azam, it refers to a specific person. And when I say man, it refers to any person. So what is common and proper noun then? Let's see what does your book say about it. Common and proper noun. Nouns are divided into common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns are words used for general people, animals, places, or things. Means when we use naming word, when we use noun, in general, it is a common noun. The examples are school. When I say school, school is a place for learning. It means every school or any school is a place of learning, right? So it is a common noun because it is referring to general. It is referring to every school. It is a general statement which refers to every school, and school is noun for place. Lawyer, all the lawyers, so it is a common noun. Doctor, common noun. Teacher, common noun. Horse, common noun. Police, common noun. Airport, common noun. Hospital, common noun. Now you understand these are the nouns which are used in general. Either it's for person, for animal, for place, for thing, but it is generally, it is not referring to a specific thing or place or person. It is referring to general. That's why they are common noun. Anything which may refer, a noun which may refer to many things of the same category, that is common noun. For example, if I say book, it can be English book, science book, maths book, there are many books, so it's a common noun. But when we use a specific word, how do we use it? Proper nouns are names used for particular, specific people, places, or thing. They always begin with a capital letter. So when we write them, we use the first letter capital because they are particular people, places, or things. For example, Qaid-e-Azam. As I told you, when I say Qaid-e-Azam, there is only one Qaid-e-Azam. Minar-e-Pakistan, Lahore, Wasim Akram, China, Eid-ul-Fitr, January, Sunday. These all are proper nouns. Why? Because now you take any of the example. If I say January, is there any other January in calendar? There is only one month, that is January. That's why it is a proper noun, and we write proper noun with capital letter. You got the concept? So how do we differentiate a common and proper noun? All right. So we are going to practice it through an activity. Are you ready for that? Okay. So my dear children, whatever your vocabulary is, because in your general knowledge, in your science, there is a lot of vocabulary you have. You are going to use that vocabulary for this activity, okay? So how we are going to do it? Teacher will divide class into two groups. Now, teacher will draw two columns on board, or you may use a chart paper and you can paste it on wall. Teacher will ask one student from group 1 to come and write one common noun. And one student from group 2 will come and will write proper noun. And in next round, teacher will switch it. From group 1, the child will write proper, and group 2 common. Likewise, you will keep shuffling. And how you are going to do it? You will make two columns on board. One is for common and one is for proper. The first child from group 1 will come, and for example, he writes common noun lake. Now lake means any lake, but the child who will come from group 2 will have to write proper noun of the same category. For example, Lake Mohammed. It's a beautiful lake in Pakistan. Okay. Now a child from group 2 will come and write a common noun, and a child with group 1 will come and write a proper noun. It's a very tough competition. Let's see who gives tough time to others. So pause the video, enjoy this beautiful activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. You enjoyed doing it. That's wonderful. So all of you now settle down and let's practice it from your book. Underline proper nouns in the following sentences. So here are the sentences and you have to underline proper nouns. And for next activity, so first you complete it. Pause the video, complete this activity in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. I know it was quite easy for you now because you are, mashallah, clear with the concept. I'm giving you a homework. Write a paragraph consisting 5 to 6 sentences using common and proper nouns. This is your homework, and here is a worksheet. Again, my dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheets to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do? Here is a word bank, and there are two categories, common nouns, proper nouns. You will read the noun and you will place it to the relevant category. So what we have learned today, we learned that everything around us that we can see, hold, touch, or feel has a name, and that is called a noun. And nouns can be classified into common and proper nouns. We learned that common nouns are words used for general people, animals, places, and things. And we also learned proper nouns are names of particular people, places, or things, and they always start with a capital letter. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to classify nouns as common and proper nouns, names of people, pets, places, mountains, lakes, rivers, etc. Are we done with it? Yes, and we thoroughly enjoyed doing it. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, and take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.